The Paint Format feature in Google Sheets enables you to copy the formatting from one cell and apply it to other cells. It's like a magic wand to quickly replicate styles such as font, color, borders, and more across your spreadsheet. Let's apply some formatting to the first section. First, I will increase the font size of the column names. Next, I will also bold them. After this, let's add a fill color. This light blue color looks good. Finally, let's select this range of cells, then add a border. I will add an outside border to wrap up our formatting. Now, what if we wanted to apply the same formatting to the other sections? We could repeat the same steps, but using the Paint Format feature would enable us to do this faster. To use the Paint Format feature, first select the cells whose formatting you want to copy. Then click the Paint Format button on the toolbar. Next, select the cell or cell range you want to apply the formatting to. The formatting from the original cells are instantly applied to the new cells. You can then click the Paint Format button once again to apply the format to more cells. In a matter of seconds, we were able to duplicate the formatting from the first section to all the sections without doing them manually. Okay, I've finished formatting the last section. In this lesson, you learned how to copy the formatting from one cell or a range of cells and apply it to other cells using the Paint Format feature.